Hi guys, in this video today, we'll be going through the project management tool and learning how to create projects, assign tasks, organize workflows, and track progress efficiently. To begin, head over to the project management tool. From here, click on the Add Task on the top right corner. A new task window will appear where you can enter the task title, description, assign users, set priority levels, start and end dates, reminders, tags, attachments, and even create subtasks if needed. Once everything is filled in, click Add. After the task has been created, it will automatically appear in the task list below and will be assigned to the selected team members. You can edit any task at any time using the Edit button. Next to it, you will also find the More Actions menu, where you can move the task to another category, view task history, add comments, or delete the task completely if needed. If you forget to add details while creating the task, you can simply update information directly from the list, including categories, assigned to, tags, status updates, status and progress. As the assigned user works on the task, they can update the status from the status bar, selecting Not Started, In Progress, Hold, or Completed. The progress bar will automatically reflect the current task progress. At the top, you can switch between different task views such as All Tasks, My Tasks, and Pending Tasks. Above that, you'll find the Select Project section. Here, you can switch between projects, organize project workflow, or even create an entire new project. Next is the Category section. These categories appear as tabs at the top of the task list and help organize tasks based on departments, workflows, or teams. Every time that you create a new category, it will be added to the list. So the next time you select the drop-down, the categories that you create will show up in that list. On the right side, you can quickly view all in-progress tasks. You'll also find the activity log, which tracks all updates, assignments, and changes made within the project. Below that, you'll find additional organization tools such as Set Columns, Filters, Color Boost, and Search. These options help customize and organize your task view for easier project management. And that's how you can effectively manage projects, assign tasks, organize workflows, and track progress using Project Management tool. Project management helps business organize tasks, assign responsibilities, track progress, and improve team collaboration all in one place. And that's it for the Project Management tool. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys in our next video.